Project is an authentication system that handles user registration, authentication, email verification, and password reset functionalities. It uses Node.js along with different libraries like Mongoose for database interaction, Bcrypt for password hashing, and Jwa for data validation, which validates that the information you put into the system is correct and fits the rules, ensuring the right emails and strong passwords. JSON Web Token for authentication tokens, and Node Mailer for sending emails. Here's a brief overview of each component. The user model defines the schema for storing user data in MongoDB, including fields like name, email, password, and email verification status, provides methods for generating authentication tokens, and validates incoming user data. The token model defines the schema for tokens used in the authentication system, such as email verification tokens and password reset tokens. Stores token data including the associated user ID, token value, and creation timestamp. The sign-up route handles user registration by validating input data, hashing passwords, generating verification tokens, and sending verification emails. The email verification route confirms user email addresses by validating verification tokens sent via email and updating user statuses accordingly. To reset a password, we dive into 3 routes: sending a password reset link, verifying this link, and setting a new password. The password reset route initiates the process of resetting a user's password. Upon receiving a post request containing the user's email address, the route first validates the input using a Jwa schema to ensure it meets the expected format. The password reset verification route validates the password reset link sent to the user's email address. It expects a GET request with arguments, user ID, and reset token. The route for setting a new password handles the final step of the password reset process. Upon receiving a post request with the user's ID, token, and new password, the route validates the password using a Jwa schema to ensure it meets the defined complexity requirements, retrieves user data, updates the password, and confirms with a 200 status code. The sign-in route facilitates user authentication by validating credentials, generating authentication tokens, and managing email verification processes. This file exports an asynchronous function responsible for sending emails using the Node Mailer library. The function takes 3 arguments: email, subject, and text. It first creates a transporter using the Node Mailer createTransport method, configuring it with the provided environment variables such as host, service, port, authentication credentials, and TLS settings. Then, it uses the transporter to send an email with the provided details. Upon successful dispatch of the email, it logs a message indicating successful email delivery. In case of error, it logs an error message and returns the error object. This function abstracts away the complexity of email sending, providing a straightforward interface for sending emails within the application. When attempting to sign up, please note that all form inputs are mandatory. Both first and last names should only contain alphabetical characters. Your email address must be valid and unique, and passwords need to meet strength requirements. They must exceed 8 characters, comprising at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, and 1 symbol. Once you've signed up, an email will be dispatched to your inbox, prompting you to verify your account. Before proceeding with account verification, let's review our database activities. In the tokens collection, a unique token corresponding to the newly signed up user's ID has been generated. Simultaneously, in the user's collection, the user's verified key is initially set to false. Upon accessing your Gmail inbox, you will be directed to a verification link which expires upon activation. After clicking the link, your account transitions from unverified to verified status, triggering the update of the verified key in the user schema from false to true. If you attempt to sign in with an incorrect email or password, you will receive a wrong credentials message. If your account has not been verified yet, you will be prompted to verify it before proceeding. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on Forgot Password and enter your email address. You will receive an email containing a link that will redirect you to a secure page where you can reset a new strong password. All in all, this project demonstrates the effective execution of authentication functionalities, promoting user trust, security, and seamless user experience within the application ecosystem.